How to change temperature units in the Apple Weather app. Here's how to change the temperature units on your iPhone. First, open the weather on your iPhone. Tap the list icon in the bottom right corner to view your saved locations. Tap the three dots at the top right. Here, you'll see the temperature unit option. Tap C to display temperatures in Celsius, or tap F to display them in Fahrenheit. The change takes effect immediately, and all of your saved cities will now show temperatures in the unit you selected. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit anytime by following the same steps. And that's it. You've successfully changed the temperature units in the Apple Weather app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.